Teens and social media. Today, a majority of teenagers are using social media, specifically a total of 81%. Many parents and educators have become increasingly interested in the role social media plays in their teenagers' lives. This is apparently obvious given how often they use social media. Many are optimistic about the positive things that come with using social media. However, some are concerned with the potential risks social media may have. Today, nearly 9 out of 10 teenagers have smartphones, which means social media is easy to access and can be used at any time. Because of this, it is no surprise that the numbers are so high for how often teens use social media. 70% of teens use social media more than once a day. 16% say they use it almost constantly, and 22% say they use it several times in 1 hour. Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook are the most popular online platforms among teens, with 41% saying they use Snapchat the most, 22% say Instagram, and 15% say Facebook. So there are many reasons why teenagers are using social media quite often, a few being to talk and connect with their friends and families. Also, they get to learn about different current events, and to them, they get to stay in the loop. It is a great resource to meet new people, share stories, learn new things, and even to pass by time. Most students will also say it's a way to cure boredom. How teens view social media. According to a study done by Common Sense Media, teens are much more likely to say social media has a positive rather than a negative effect on how they feel. As this chart shows, this shows basically how teens feel when it comes to social media. More teens feel like they're less lonely, less depressed, and less anxious while using social media. Social media also makes them feel more confident, better about themselves, and more popular. There are many benefits of using social media for teenagers. A few of them being, it can be a great place to strengthen friendships. It is also a way to reduce the feeling of isolation. Using social media can help them to develop better social skills. It also gives them an outlet to share their ideas and opinions. While using social media, they can learn about new cultures and different societal issues. And it can also be a great place to keep up with current events. However, there are also a few risks or dangers that come with using social media. Some of them being cyberbullying, spending too much time online, having their personal information shared online. They could potentially be the victim of an online scam. They can also be exposed to negativity. And unfortunately, something very commonly seen on social media is people comparing themselves to others. So, is social media good or bad? Social media is what you make of it. In today's age, we can't get around teens using social media a lot, but we can hope that they are reaping the benefits of it. No matter what, it is important for teenagers to be aware of the risks and rewards of social media, but they shouldn't have to run from using it.